God bless you, my dear students. Today I am going to start worksheet 3. In this worksheet, you will learn identity 3. What is it? Look here. You have two numbers A and B. Suppose you have two numbers A and B. Now add them A plus B. This is a binomial, and subtract them A minus B. This is sum of first number and second number, and this is difference of first number and second number. Remember, both are A and B. Here you find addition, here you find subtraction. First number plus second number into first number minus second number. So you got its product A square minus B square. How? Let's see. If you multiply A plus B and A minus B, first multiply A into A, then A into B, then B into A, and then B into B. A into A, it is like this, A minus B. B into second binomial, it is plus B into A minus B. Now A into A square, A into B minus AB, plus B into A, you can say BA or AB, both are correct. Now B into B, B square plus minus minus B square. Look here, the same number is added and same number is subtracted. 2 minus 2, AB minus AB, 3 minus 3. If you subtract same number by same number from same number, it will be 0. AB minus AB is 0. What did you get? A square minus B square. So this is the formula. A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square. First question is 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y. A plus B into A minus B. If you think 2x is A and 7 by B, then it will be A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square. Use this formula. What you get? 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y equal 2x whole square minus 7y whole square. Remember, in place of A there is 2x, in place of B there is 7y. So here it will be 2x and square, 7y and square. A square minus B square. Now find the square. You know that 2x means 2 into x. So it is the square of 2 and x. Square of 2 is 2 2 is 4. Square of x is x square. And here square of 7, 49. Square of y, y square. Clear? Here it is A minus B, A plus B. Look here, 5AB, 5AB, 8C, 8C. A minus B, A plus B. So it will be A square minus B square. A means what? A means first number. First number is 5AB square. B means what? Second number. Second number is 8C. So A minus B into A plus B equal A square minus B square. Now it is whole square of 5 A and B. So square of 5, 5 5s are 25. Square of A square. Square of B square. And here square of 8, 8 8 is 64. Square of C square. This is the required answer. Look here, 4p square plus q square. 4p square minus q square. The same formula you have to use here. This is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. So A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A means what? First number 4p square. It will be square here. Minus B means what? Q square. So write here q square and b square. So here square. A means 4p square. B means q square. A, B. Square of A, write here square. Square of B, write here square. Remember, this is 4p square. It is A, means first number. And you have to write here square of first number. So here it will be 4p square. Then again square. Now, square of 4, 4 4 is 16. Square of P, P square. Here it is P square and again square. So P square power into power, 2 2 is 4. Power is 2 into 2. So 16 P to the power 4 minus Q to the power 4. You can leave this. You can leave this step. So write 16p to the power 4 minus q to the power 4. Now look here. First number, second number, first number, second number. A minus b, a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b equal a square. A means what? X by 3 square. B means what? Y by 2 square. Square of x, x square. Square of 3, 9. Square of y, y square. Square of 2, 4. 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2 n. A, B, B. A minus b, a plus b. So it is a square. 0.1 m square minus 0.2 n square. Square of 0.1, it will be 0.01 m square minus square of 0.2, 0.04 n square. You know that square of 1 is 1, but in the decimal part there is 1 digit, so there will be 2 digit. Here square of 2, 4. In the decimal part here it is 1 digit, so here it is 2 digit. Now look here. AQ plus BQ into AQ minus BQ. Both are same. A cube, BQ, BQ. What is difference? Plus and minus. So you can think A and B, A and B, A plus B, A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square. A means A cube square minus B. B means what? BQ square. Use the formula. And now a to the power 3 to the power 2. So power will be multiplied. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. AQ minus BQ. Here 81 square minus 19 square. You can imagine 81 as A, 19 as B. A square minus B square. What is the formula? If you find A square minus B square, then it will be A plus B into A minus B. So A means 81, B means 19. So 81 plus 19 into A minus B, 81 minus 19. Now add them. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 1 1 2 8, 10, 100 into. Subtract here. 11 minus 9, 2, 7 minus 1, 6. Now multiply 100 into 62. 61 1 is 61 and 2 0. This is your required answer. Now 290 square minus 210 square. If you think 219 as A and 210 B, so it will be A square minus B square. A square minus B square, then it will be A plus B into A minus B. 290 plus 210, 500. 290 minus 210, 80. 8 4 is 40 and 000. So it is 40,000. Similarly, you can solve it. Third number, fourth number, fifth number, and also sixth number. In the same way, you have to add and subtract, then multiply. Last question is simplify the following products by expressing these as a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Remember, first question is here 107 into 93. You have to write it as 100 plus 7 into it is 100 minus 7. 100 minus 7 is 93. So 93 can be written as 100 minus 7. Now consider as A plus B, A minus B. It is A, it is B. A, B. So A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. A means 100, B means 7. Now 100 square, 1 1 ja 1, 2 0 will be 4 0. And square of 7, 7 7 ja 49. Now subtract. 10 minus 9, it is 1. 9 minus 4, it is 5. And it is 9, it is also 9. 9 9 5 1. Now 211 into 189. It will be 200 plus 11 and it will be 200 minus 11. So A plus B, A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 will be 4 0. 11 square means 121. Now subtract it. 40,000 minus 121, it will be 39,879. In the same way, 195 into 205. It is 200 plus 5 and it is 200 minus 5. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. 200 square is 40,000, 5 square 25. Subtract it, 39975. 39,975. Next is 308 into 292. 300 plus 8, 300 minus 8. A square minus B square. 3 3 are 9, 4 0. 8 8 are 64. Subtract it. You will get 89,936. Next 12.4. That means 12 plus 0.4. It will be 12 minus 0.4. 12 minus 0.4 is 11.6. So A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. 12 square 144. 0.4 square 4 4 is 16. In the decimal part 1 digit. So there will be 2 digit. Now subtract 144 means 144.00. Subtract 0.16. It will be 143.84. Similarly 39.9 means 30 plus 0.9. 29.1 means 30 minus 0.9. So A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. 3 3 are 9. 1 0 will be 2 0. And there is 1 digit in decimal part. So 9 9 is 81. 2 digit will be there in the square of 0.9. Now subtract 900 means 900.00 minus 0.81. It will be 899.19. Okay my dear students, I hope you understood whatever I taught in this video. So like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.